In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently followed accounts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, at the top right, tap at following, and that will show you all the accounts that you are currently following on Instagram. And then you can scroll down a bit to see all that accounts, and by default those accounts sorted by default, which means that by default it is showing you the accounts you are interact with a lot, and we can change that order. So if we want to find the account we have recently followed, all we have to do is just tap where it says default, and then we can choose how we want to sort that accounts. So we can sort them by date followed, by latest, or by earliest. So I'm just gonna pick latest, and that will show me recently followed accounts. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.